Such a lovely day. I can't wait to pick up my special with this truck. I wonder what it could be. Now, time to. Oh my god, what? No, it can't be. It can't be. An elephant? I didn't know you could carry animals in trucks like this. I mean, I used to in the animal reserve back in Kenya, but that is a very, very big elephant. I just don't know if I can carry it. It's just so angry. Ooh.
Oh, my new. That is an angry elephant. You might want to be careful, my good luck here.
Thanks, Percy, I guess, but good luck. Okay, time to go. No!
Yeah, you might want to slow down a bit. This elephant's still quite angry. You don't want to risk any damage on the railway.
Ooh, okay, I guess. Okay, let's do this.
Alright, now that we're on the main line, let's try to figure out why this elephant's mad here.
Could be anything else. Maybe it's not familiar with SODOR. Maybe you could show it places on SODOR that it could get familiar with, seeing as there isn't much of Africa to see around here. But, we'll have to try something, because this elephant is not going to stay happy for long. This person seems quiet enough for the elephant. Now, all we have to do is just go the rest of the way and find quiet places of the island. Oh, we're coming up on the SODOR lumber mill. Ooh, I just hope the elephant doesn't get mad. Okay, let's get going. Come on. Come on. Okay, let's go slowly.
Alright, Nia, let's do it.
Okay, let's go. Oh, slowly does it. Slow, easy, easy.
Hello, Nia.
Oh, hi, Henry. I gotta get going though. I got this elephant to deliver. But can you please have the wolf be quiet over there? This elephant does not like loud noises.
And hello to you too, Nia. Is that an elephant you're carrying? Oh, I remember the last time I carried an elephant.
Henry, tell the elephant to be quiet. It's too loud for the elephant.
Well, good day to you too, Nia. I'm gonna get going though. See you later.
But Henry, I guess he can't hear me over this loud clanking sound. I just hope the elephant isn't that bad, but we'll have to get going though soon.
Nia, how about we try to find places that are a little more quiet on the island? Maybe you have the sideline. The sideline is a bit quiet.
Yeah, but isn't on the way to the Killdane Zoo. You gotta take this elephant there directly. Maybe Thomas's branch line? No, too busy. Maybe Edward's branch line, but that's where the animal park is. This elephant is not designed to go to the animal park. We'll have to go to the Killdane Zoo. So we'll have to go there promptly, but find a way to find quiet places.
Alright, Nia, we'll do that. So maybe try Henry's Forest, perhaps. It is a good spot for quietness. And Henry likes it a lot.
I guess so. Let's try there. Alright, we're getting near there. This is, I need to give myself whistle for a little bit, and so nice.
Wait, Nia, stop.
Wait, what's going on? The elephant's scared. Oh no, come back over here, please. Oh, it won't work.
Oh, Nia, the elephant's gone now. What are we gonna do? We have a loose, angry elephant on SODOR. It's not gonna be happy. Let's go find it, Nia.
Wait, stop, I know why it's mad.
You do? How's it mad, Nia?
Well, let's just say I met this elephant before. And, well, the past with it wasn't that good. Let's just say it was a bit terrible.
So, that's why, Nia? Because of that?
Yeah, we'll get it back though.
Alright, Nia, let's try to think positive with me.
With the world, it's one wild ride. I'm doing things now I never have tried. Always twists and turns, but the one thing I learned, just keep my eyes open wide. And new ideas will bound your way to follow the world when it goes astray. The world keeps bouncing along and dancing to its very own song. It's a tune that's new and not written by you, but you might as well sing along. 'Cause the world has a mind of its own. It's coming next, it's completely unknown. 'Cause the world has a mind of its own. To follow the world wherever it goes. Where it's all headed, nobody knows.
Alright, Nia, let's look in here. Perhaps the elephant's in this forest somewhere.
Driver, have you found the elephant yet?
No, I haven't found it yet, Nia. The elephant must be somewhere along the main line further down past Wellsworth. We'll have to find the elephant, and hopefully she's safe.
Ooh, I just hope she is safe. The main line is no place for an elephant, especially one that's not familiar and angry. Maybe she's over here at Orange Hill. Maybe we can find her up here.
I don't see anything, Nia. Do you see anything?
No, I don't see anything at all. This is all my fault. If only I had said something about the elephant, then we wouldn't have lost it. We'll never be able to find it out here on the main line. I guess we'll have to tell Senora about the elephant and hopefully retrieve her back, but I don't know what to do now, driver. Yeah, I don't know what to do either, Nia. We'll have to look in the next morning or the next day, perhaps. Maybe she'll show up eventually. Maybe near Kronk. We'll look for her. But let's go find her right now. Alright, driver. I'll look. Only she'll give out a sign, perhaps. Maybe a little... Wait, I hear something. I heard her little trumpet. Elephants have their own distinctive sound, and I recognize that one. That's the elephant, and the only elephant on this part of the island. Let's go. You're clever indeed, you are, Nia. Very clever indeed. There she is. Nice to meet you over there, and wait.
Nia, stop right now. Please stop.
Really? Why?
Look.
She has a baby. That's why she ran off, Nia. Because she wasn't giving birth. She wanted somewhere more spacious. Oh, I guess she's scared of me still. Wait, but... Oh, she approves of me. Yes, elephants do that a lot to engines. Well, let's get going now. Can't lose time. We better get ahead of time.
My, it's been an elephant of a time since I seen an elephant around here, right, Nia? Yeah, Charlie, it is. And she's a baby. Very sweet, right? Yes, Nia, very sweet indeed. That's such an elephant of a time. I just love elephant jokes. Well, I'm getting going now. I'll see you later, and Charlie. See you later, Nia. I guess I could ask about working with animals. Maybe someday I will get more animal jobs.